Hey, and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, hi, I'm Amanda. My friends all call me Min, and oh, there was a bee. On my channel, I do all kinds of weird things to my hair, and today is no exception. As you can see behind me, there's a lake. I'm out camping, and I'm so sick of my hair that I'm going to color it out camping. And also, this video is in collaboration with UBLINS Eyeglasses. They did send me 2 pair. This first pair is beautiful. And the second pair, you'll see once my hair is transformed. So I'm not gonna talk too much, we're just gonna hop right into it. And I'm going to be using Eero. This is in pastel bubblegum pink. I couldn't decide if I wanted to do the pastel seafoam or the bubblegum pink, and I decided to do the bubblegum pink. I already have it in my bowl here. And yeah, we're just gonna start applying it. This is just like a pastel color. It's just gonna kind of basically put a tint into my hair, I do believe. So I'm really not sectioning like I would normally at home. Also because I can't really see the back of my head here. So I'm just gonna mush this color all in everywhere, and well, we're gonna hope for the best. Here, take those off so they get color all over them. If you guys are in the market for some new prescription glasses, definitely check out UBLINS. I will link their website and the glasses that I received down below. And also, if you use the code MINS40, you can save 40% off your entire order. That's the frames and the lenses. So, I mean, you can get some pretty affordable, super amazing prescription eyewear. I got going on back here. Bear with me, guys. I'm just gonna load some on and rub it all in here. Get some in my hand and smoosh it all in. All right. Yeah. It's a good thing I don't have a lot of hair, because that would be a lot more difficult right now, I tell ya. This is the first time I have ever colored my hair while being camping, so we're gonna see how it goes. And this flippin' bee will not leave me alone. And you know what? Honestly, guys, I'm terrified of bees. They freak me out. So if I just jump up and run... That is why. He was after me. Okay, guys. I think I have it all in. Let's spin around. You guys see the back? Let me know. Did I get it all? It'll be too late by the time you guys see this and get to comment or not, so we're just hoping for the best. Alright guys, I'm going to let this sit in my hair for a good half hour, 45 minutes, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, it's been about a little over half an hour. I'm going to go to the side of my trailer here, my travel trailer, and wash my hair with this little outside shower thing. That water is so cold. I'm gonna shampoo my hair because I've been out camping and I want some clean hair. Oh my goodness, that is freezing. Gotta get some conditioner. I need to warm up my head. That was colder than a witch's tit, man. I tell ya, whew, I'm freezing. Alright, I'll be back once my hair is dried and, I don't know, somewhat styled. Alright guys, it is the very next day because after I filmed yesterday, I went on a quick boat ride with my husband and then it started downpour. So this is the color after. I don't know if you'll be able to see it with the sun going that way. It turned out a very beautiful baby pink. And these are the second pair of glasses that were sent from UBLINS. These are prescription sunglasses. They are absolutely amazing. I love them. I love the detail on them. Also, if you are in the market, Mins 40 can save you 40% off your order. Anyways, guys, this was fun. I did my hair out camping with you guys. Let me know what color I should do next time. Until next time, have a beautiful day.